Title: ɡruːv, where music and rhythm find their home. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word ɡruːv. A groove refers to a rhythmic, repetitive pattern in music that creates a sense of flow and a desire to move to the beat. It signifies the heart and soul of music, where rhythm and melody come together harmoniously. Pronunciation: pronouncing ɡruːv is simple, ɡruːv, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, when a catchy song gets you tapping your foot and swaying to the music, you're feeling the groove. Importance: grooves are what make music infectious, inviting people to dance, express themselves, and connect with the rhythm and emotions of a song. Conclusion: in summary, ɡruːv is a word that represents the captivating rhythm and flow that music creates, allowing us to experience its magic. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, celebrate the power of grooves in making music an integral part of our lives.